welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheila, and if you are new, welcome, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. For today's video, I am going to be removing my pink color from my hair. It has turned into a reddish orangey color that I unfortunately do not like. I got this done a little bit before New Year's, and the color, some of the color has faded and some of the color has faded a lot. And so for today's video, I thought that I would show you guys how I am going to be taking out this pink color. Now, I did see a video. I'm gonna post a video down below of a girl that showed you how to remove it. So I got everything that I needed. I actually went to Sally's Beauty Supply, and I got a couple of things that I needed to do this. So I already had a bowl, so I have my bowl, and I had some gloves, and I bought some more, but I do have some gloves. I don't have the brush because I took the little brush to my mom's house, the little brush applicator. I don't have that, so I'm just gonna have to use my hands. So she recommended that you use 10 volume developer. So I got this from Salon Care. And then she also recommended to get a purple shampoo, and she used this one from Shimmery Lights, so I got that one. And then, of course, like I mentioned, I got some gloves, so I got some gloves. And then she recommends that you use baking soda and Dawn dish soap, which I am going to get in just a second. I also went ahead and got this color just in case I don't like the way the color underneath turns out. I got this purple hair dye, and this is by Perfect Intensity Semi-Permanent Colored Cream. This is from the One and Only Argan Oil brand. So I have used this brand before for hair things like shampoo, conditioner, and a hair mask, and I loved it. So that's why I used this one. It says it is ammonia free. It says no developer needed, and you just apply it on your hair, and it is the shade purple. So this is, I'm not gonna open it, but so I went with a purple color because I wanted a darker color where I didn't have to do as much maintenance. Hopefully it doesn't fade like this one. The color that I used for this one was a Splat color from, you know, the brand Splat that they sell at Walmart. That's probably why it turned out like this, but yeah, I'm gonna be doing that today. I'm already wearing a shirt that I don't mind getting dirty, so it's all wrinkly. So let's just get started with this video. So I am going to start by sectioning my hair and just leaving the colored part out. So I am going to do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. I did have to put some of my hair up. So I did the best that I could do by myself, and I kind of parted my hair. As you can see, it's just like a little bit of the bottom half that I did, and it does look like a reddish color. So she did say to put equal parts of baking soda, Dawn dish soap, the purple shampoo, and the developer. So I am going to be using 1/3 cup since it's only like a little bit that I have to do. So I'm going to be using a 1/3 cup and pouring everything into my bowl. So I poured everything in here, and now I'm mixing it together with a spoon because I don't have a brush. So I'm going to try my best to mix everything really, really well. And it looks, oh, I'm not sure if I should be mixing it that hard because it's creating bubbles. So I think I'm just gonna fold instead of doing it too hard because it's creating bubbles. I'm not sure if you can see, but there are lumps in there. I'm guessing it's from the baking soda. So I'm gonna try to get all of the lumps out. And it's a little bit like a liquid consistency. So I'm not sure how that's gonna work out. I wonder if it's supposed to be like a thick consistency. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on my gloves and start applying it to my hair. So let's see how it turns out. She said to leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. So that is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be sectioning my hair so that way I can get an even application. I hate that I don't have the brush. I want to make sure I get the very top. And this is actually very, very messy. So if you're planning on doing this, just know that it's very, very messy. I'm getting this stuff all over my counter. I'm not sure like why it's so runny, if it's supposed to be runny like that. But I want to make sure I get the top of my hair. And I want to make sure everything's coated really well. So I'm gonna get another small section. I'm doing small sections actually. You know what? I think I'm gonna get a towel to put on top of this thing because I'm getting it everywhere. I am so glad that I only did a small section of the back of my hair because the maintenance on this and trying to keep up with the fading and putting color back in and doing it by yourself is actually really hard. I've never done anything like this before. I've cut my own hair, but I don't mess with like dyeing it or bleaching it or anything like that. So this is the first time that I am actually doing something like this, and so it's kind of scary for me because I don't know how it's going to turn out. Hopefully it turns out really well and it doesn't mess up my roots with the developer. And I noticed that there's some pieces too that don't have bleach or color that are my like natural hair color still, but it was really hard getting my hair by myself. This stuff is so runny and it made it look like it was thick but on her video, but I guess it's runny, so be careful. I'm dripping this stuff all over my shirt. I have a mat on the floor. I'm not sure how well that's gonna hold up, but my husband is probably gonna come home and look at this and he's gonna be like, what did you do? So I don't usually do stuff like this. And it's not that I don't like it, I do like it, but it's the maintenance and the upkeep that I don't like. But if I knew how to do it myself, you guys know I would do it. I do my own nails. I love doing my own nails. So if I could do this, if I like learn how to successfully bleach my hair and dye it different colors, I would. But I am more of a scaredy cat. So I'm basically done with this section, but I want to make sure I have I want to make sure I get like the close to the roots as possible, because I don't want nothing, especially when I put my hair up. I don't want anything like I want to make sure everything's coated with enough of this stuff. Okay, I think this side is good. It is drenched. Okay, and now look at my shirt. And now I am moving on to the next section. Just want to make sure everything is on there really well, so I'm just making sure, especially this side because it is a lot more pink. So okay, so she said to cover it up with a towel. So I'm gonna actually cover, I'll cover my hair with this one. This is my shower cap. So I'm actually gonna cover my natural hair with this one. And then use the Walmart bag, improvise, and cover. Oh. Why is this still pink? I found this little section that is like the pinkest out of all of it. Oh my goodness, my fingers are purple. So I am going to be placing this on top. Put the Walmart bag. So my hair, okay. So I'm just gonna use a clip and clip the back of it. I look like Miss Conehead, but this is what it looks like. Hopefully it works. We'll see. Okay, you guys, so I am back and this is what my hair looks like. So I know that I have some dark hair still up there, but when I was parting my hair, I did see that there were some spots that had like a little bleach on some of this dark hair. So what I am going to be doing is I'm gonna go in with that purple color and just dye all my hair, because as you can see, my hair got a little bit lighter, but it did not take the pink away. So what I am going to be doing is just going and using the purple color and see how it turns out. Okay, you guys, so I changed shirts. I'm gonna go in with some black gloves, and I did wash my hair earlier, and as you can see, this part right here did get a little bit lighter than this part. So this is probably gonna get all over my neck, I just realized. Okay, so it comes in a little bottle like this. So I'm gonna take a section. I'll take this much section and then pour a little bit, like a dime size, and start applying it. actually gonna get a good amount and just apply it close to my roots. I really want that color to take really well on those lighter areas. As you can see, I don't have any, like, almost nothing on my neck. So I like that about this consistency. I'm just gonna apply a whole lot more. Make sure everything's coated really well, especially my ends. Okay, you guys, so this is the color. It looks a little bit more fuchsia because of the light, but it's actually like a darker purple. I like it. I like it way better than the orangey color that I had. I'm gonna show you a natural light too. Okay, you guys, so this is the color of my hair. This is what it looks like. It's more of a I don't know, like a purplish pink type of color. I like it. I like how it turns out, but I wanted to show you guys in real light. I have washed it once already, so the color kind of faded a little bit. But yeah, this is what the color looks like, and I thought that I would show you guys. And I'm about to head to work, so yeah. So that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you like these types of videos, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye!